Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Okay, so now today I'll be taking maths. Okay, so maths, that is write in words from 21 to 50. So all of you take your maths copy out. Okay, so the maths copy, this one is your maths copy. It looks like this. Okay, that is a square ruled copy. Okay, so this one is maths copy. Take your pencil out, sharp your pencil and do along with me. Okay, so here right, today I am going to teach you the spellings of 21 to 50. Okay, that is write in words. Write in words. Write in words. That is 21 to 50. So we are going to write in words. That means we are going to spell it out. Okay, spellings we are going to write from 21 to 50. So repeat along with me. Okay, so 21, 21, 21. What is the spelling of 21? T W E N T Y, 20. O N E, 1, 21. So once again you say along with me. 21, 21. T W E N T Y, 20. O N E, 1, 21. After 21, 22. That is 2 to 22. How will you write? T W E N T Y, 20. T W O, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. That is T W E N T Y, 23. T H R double E, 3, 23. So repeat along with me once again. T W E N T Y, 20. T H R double E, 3, 23. Now 2, 4, 24. So how will you write the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y, 20, and 4, F O U R, 4, 24. After 24 what comes? 2, 5, 25. Now T W E N T Y, 20. Then 5, F I V E, 5, 25. Next 2, 6, 26. T W E N T Y, 20. S I X, 26. Now 2, 7, 27. T W E N T Y, 27. S E V E N, 7, 27. So what comes after 27? 28. 2, 8, 28. What is the spelling of 28? T W E N T Y, 20. Now write 8. E I G H T, 28. Now 2, 9, 29. TWENTY. 20. NINE. 9. 29. After 29, 30. 30. THIRTY. 30. Okay. So from 21 to 30 I have written here. The same way also, use the same way you also write. Okay, but don't use pen, don't write with pen. Okay, so take your pencil out and write. With the help of a pencil only you have to write. Okay, so before writing, sharp your pencil. Okay, and keep your erasers nearby you. Okay, eraser, sharpener, everything nearby you, so if you make any mistake you can rub very quickly and write. Okay, now after 30 what comes? 31. That is 31. 31. THIRTY. 30. ONE. 31. See here 30. So THIRTY. 30. If you learn 30 and afterwards you can add 3 1 31, like ONE 1, 3 2 32, TWO 2, like this. Okay, if you learn this 30, so it is very easy. Once you learn all these things, it will be used up to 39. This 30. Okay, so now 3 2 32. THIRTY. 30. TWO 2. 32. Now 3 3 33. THIRTY. 30. What is the spelling of 3 now? Tell. Yes. THREE. 3. So THIRTY 30 and THREE 3. 33. Now 34. 34. So again you are writing 30. TH, first you will write 30, then you will write 4. It becomes 34. THIRTY. 30. Now 4 you write. FOUR. 4. 34. Now after 34 what comes? 3 5. 35. This THIRTY. 30. Now 5. FIVE. 5. 35. After 35 what comes? 3 6. 36. THIRTY. 30. SIX. 6. 36. Then 37. 37. What 37? What is 37? Yes, 37. THIRTY. 30. SEVEN. 7. 30. Write first 30, then 7. And togetherly THIRTY. 30. SEVEN. 7. 37. Now 38. 38. THIRTY. 30. What is the spelling of 8? Yes, EIGHT. 8. So what becomes now? 38. Say along with me. THIRTY. 30. EIGHT. 38. Now 3 9. 39. THIRTY. 30. N-E, 9, 39. So after 39 what comes? 4, 0, 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Once you learn this 40 spelling, it will be used up to 41 to 49. Okay. Next. After 40, what comes after 40? 41. 41, 41. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. O-N-E. 1. 41. After 41, 42, 42. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-W-O-2. 42. Now 43, 43. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 43. Now 4, 4, 44. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-O-U-R. 4. 44. Now 4, 5, 45. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E. 5. 45. After 45 what comes? Yes, 4, 6, 46. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-I-X. 6. 46. See children, only once you learn this 40. So after 40, everywhere from 41 to 49, 40, you will write 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay. Now 47, 47. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 47. Okay. First you write 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Next S-E-V-E-N. 7. 47. Now 4, 8, 48. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 48. Now 4, 9. After 48 what comes? 4, 9, 49. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. N-I-N-E. 9. Now after 49, 50, 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 50, 50. So children, I have written here from 21 to 50. Okay, so 21 to 50 in words. Okay, so in words I wrote here. You write your home, take your maths copy, take like this type of copy and practice. Okay, learn before learning, learn the spellings, learn the words properly. Okay, so after learning, without seeing, you write. Okay, so as much as you write, your handwriting will get improved. Along with that, you can remember all these things very easily. Okay, you will not forget these things, these spellings very easily. Okay, for long term you will remember these things. Okay, so now moving, but remember, don't use any pen. Okay, so for a clear view I have used here pen. Okay, and so that you can see it very clearly, but you don't use pen, you use pencil. Okay, sharp pencil. Now next, addition table 2. Addition table 2. Okay, so addition table 2. So now I'll teach you the addition table too. Addition means what? Add, okay? Addition which gives more, okay? So addition table 2. 0 plus 2 equal to how much we get? 2. As we know that if anything is added to 0, we get the same number, okay? The same thing only. So 2, 0 plus 2, 2. Then 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 how much? 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Now 0, 1. Next what comes? 2. Then 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 how much? How much you get? 2 plus 2, 4. We get 4. Okay. Now 0, 1, 2. After 2 what comes? 3. Then 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5. We get 5. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. Now after 3 what comes? 4. Then 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 how much we get? 6. We get 6. Okay. Now after 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. After 5, 6, no? Then 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 how much? 8. We get 8. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 7. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. Then 8 plus 2. How much you get 8 plus 2? 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Then after 8 what comes? 9. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 how much, children? Yes, 9 plus 2, 11. After 9 what comes? 10. 1, 0, 10. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 how much? 10 plus 2, 12. We get 12. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. So once again you repeat with me this addition table. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So this is your addition table. Okay. So all these things I have written in your copy. Okay. So go through your copy properly. Learn the spellings nicely and learn the table, addition table too, very nicely. And without seeing, after learning, without seeing, close your copy, take out another maths rough copy, and without seeing you write, okay, which makes you do lesser spelling mistakes. If you practice more and more after learning, if you write, no, so you will remember for a long term, and also your handwriting also will get improved, okay, and you will not do any mistakes. Okay, so more, whenever you find that you have done any mistakes in the spellings, again you learn and again you write. Okay, so practice more and more at your home. Okay, if the writings are not clear, or if you have any doubt or any confusion in this, okay, so with the help of your parents, you can contact me at night in between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thank you.